So one of the questions I constantly get is, how do I support myself while traveling? Well, today I'm going to share one of the ways that I have made thousands of dollars while traveling. It's by using the app Grabr. Grabr is a global marketplace that connects travelers with shoppers, and it pays travelers to deliver items.
On the app, you choose a destination where you want to travel, for example, Sao Paulo, and then you see a list of items that shoppers want in Sao Paulo. As a traveler, you can make an offer to the shopper and tell them how much money you want to deliver the requested item.
So instead of me just explaining Grabr, let me take you on my most recent trip. I'm heading to Brazil, Sao Paulo, and I have 2 suitcases filled with Grabs. Once we get down to Brazil, I'll show you what I'm bringing.
So let's go explore the universe. Don't need to concern, I just wanna see what else there is. So let's go.
After a long 9-hour overnight flight, I made it to Sao Paulo. I'm in my hotel right now. I'm going to start organizing all my Grabs so they're ready for when people come to pick them up. See some golf balls, shoes, a steamer, an air fryer, that one's a big one, some medicine, perfume, toolbox, purse, pepper, more shoes, mirror kits, and iFixit. Okay, I'm gonna bring somebody their Grab now. They got a toolbox and they just arrived at my hotel, so I'm gonna go deliver it to them.
Yep.
Okay. So he receives, confirm, and then I'll get my money soon.
10 stars.
Woo, 5 stars, yeah! We're in quarantine times, gotta make sure you're safe. And I finally finished delivering all my Grabs, and now I have the chance to enjoy Sao Paulo.